Children, our next functional group is haloalkane. Haloalkane or haloalkanes. What the haloalkane denoted by X? You may wonder. For alcohol, OH is the functional group. For aldehydes, CHO is the functional group. For ketone, CO is the functional group. For carboxylic acid, COOH is the functional group. What is this X? X does not represent, it's a general functional group. What is this X? Haloalkanes, halogens. Halogens are what? Elements of group 17. See, here X can be, children, chlorine, bromine or iodine. It denotes three different elements. That's why you give the general symbol X for haloalkane. So X can be chlorine, bromine or iodine. Children, yeah. So I need space for writing the equations. Haloalkanes can be chlorine, bromine or iodine. What are haloalkanes? Haloalkanes are, see, children, I keep telling you, haloalkanes. Or haloalkanes, they are the, see, they are the halogen derivatives of alkanes. They are derived from alkanes. For example, take the first member of alkane series, methane, CH4, combines with fluorine. Fluorine is an halogen. Methane combines with chlorine. What do we get, children? CH3Cl. See, we have covered our next topic also, children. What's that? Substitution reaction. So, what happens here? Structural formula of methane. Structural formula of methane is what, children? C, carbon atoms surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. When chlorine combines with it, what happens? Cl2. I'll write it as Cl2 chlorine atoms. One will go here, the hydrogen will come to the place of chlorine. What happens here? These 3 hydrogen atoms remain. Here chlorine comes in place of hydrogen. Hydrogen goes to the place of chlorine. Hydrogen and chlorine, they exchange each other. So what this is a type of substitution reaction. Very simple, children, that's it. Methane combines with chlorine to give CH3Cl. So this is the structural formula. Carbon surrounded by 4 hydrogen atom, saturated hydrocarbon, it is methane. It undergoes only substitution reaction, where if you want to add chlorine, one of the hydrogen has to vacate its place. Now hydrogen goes to the place, chlorine occupies the place of hydrogen. Hydrogen comes to the place of chlorine, are shown here, children. That's it. Similarly, who is the second member of alkane series? Ethane. Who is the third member? Propane. Fourth member? Butane. I'll write it here, children. Second member, C2H6 ethane, C3H8, C4H10. What happens? Chlorine, it combines with chlorine to form C2H5Cl. Propane combines with chlorine to form what? C3H7Cl. See, one hydrogen atom is reduced and chlorine occupies the place of hydrogen. Here Cl2. What do we get? C4H9Cl. Yes or no, children? See, methane combines with chlorine to give CH3Cl. What is its name? I'll discuss next. Ethane combines with chlorine to give C2H5Cl. Propane combines with chlorine to give C3H7Cl. C4H10 combines with chlorine to form C4H9Cl. See now, see, children, one hydrogen is reduced and chlorine occupies the place of hydrogen. Same thing in ethane, propane, butane. So this is a substitution reaction. We will discuss it next. Now, analyze this part. Now, what is the name of this compound? CH3Cl. I told the children, at present we follow IUPAC system nomenclature. For naming in hydrocarbon, carbon compounds we follow IUPAC rule. What is IUPAC full for? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Yeah, what is the parent hydrocarbon here? Methane. Earlier name was children, common name, methyl chloride, derived from methane, methyl chloride. This was called ethyl chloride. This was propyl chloride. This is called butyl chloride. Now, as per the IUPAC system, what the name of this first compound, CH3Cl? It is derived from methane, right? Methane. Then we have to add suffix or prefix. Prefix means adding a word before this parent hydrocarbon. So what is there? One chlorine atom is there, right? Chloro. Since chlorine is there, add chloro. What is the name of this compound, children? Chloromethane. Earlier it was called methyl chloride, common name. So we don't follow that name. Naming of hydrocarbon, now we follow only IUPAC system. What is the name of this compound, children? This is derived from ethane. Add prefix to ethane. Prefix means adding a word before parent hydrocarbon. Chloroethane. Similarly, what is the name of this? This parent hydrocarbon? Pentane. What pentane? Chloropentane. What is the name of this compound? Butane. What butane? Chlorobutane. Suppose bromine is attached instead of chlorine, children. What is the name of this compound? What would have been the name of this compound? Bromomethane, bromoethane, bromopentane, bromobutane. If bromine would have been there. Similarly, if iodine was there, it would have been iodomethane, iodoethane, iodopentane, iodobutane. That's it about haloalkane, children. Easy now? Yes. Now, last point in haloalkane. What is the general formula of haloalkanes? What is the general formula of alkanes? Cl, H2n, Cl, Cn, H2n plus 2. Now you know what is the general formula of haloalkanes. What is that? Cn, H2n, from 2, one hydrogen is removed, and what is added? Halogen group X is added, which X can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine, children. Yes or no? Good. So end of this topic, haloalkanes. Some 2-3 marks question will come on this topic. We'll go. Start. Children, I forgot another small topic. This carbon compound can form straight chain, branched chain, and rings. So nothing special in this. The name itself indicates. What is straight chain? You take any hydrocarbon, all carbon atoms will be in a straight chain. For example, you take butane. But. What is but means? There should be 4 carbon atoms in the chain, children. Yes or no? Yes. So this is butane. Ane. Suffix is ane. Ane indicates what? Hydrocarbon is saturated. We see only single carbon atoms in the chain. All 4 carbon atoms, they will have 3 single bonds between them. So what is the name of this? Butane. What is it called normally? N-butane. We should add letter N, small n. What is N-butane? Normal. Straight chain, it is called normal butane. It is normal butane for straight chain, children. Second one is, you can take any one. Now take propane. What is this? N-propane. N means normal propane. For straight chain we say normal. Understood? Yeah. Now children, the same butane can have chain structure. Instead of 4 carbon atoms writing in a straight chain, you can take what? See, these 2 carbon atoms, you can write it like this. What happens this? This is now branched chain. Straight chain is over. This is the branched chain of butane. This is the branched chain of butane. It has branches. That's it, children. Second carbon atom, what it has got? It has branches. This is about butane. Or you take any hydrocarbon. Any hydrocarbon, see. What is the structure called? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. This has a branch here, this has a branch here, this has branch, this has branch, this has again branch. It keeps on going. Understood? What is this kind of structure is called? Branch structure. It has got many branches. A tree has many branches, not like that. This is a branched chain of carbon atoms. Lastly, children, rings. Ring structure. Ring structure means they have a closed structure. They have closed structure. See, for example, again you take the example of butane only, children. Butane. How many carbon atoms are there? 4. See, it is closed structure or ring structure. Take for example, propane. Propane. Propane has got what? Triangular shape. This is triangle, no? A, B, C. It has 3 vertices. They are all 3 vertices or edges are carbon atoms only. Propane, butane. You take pentane, children. Pentane. What is that? Ring structure. Pentane. 1. What is that? 1 carbon atom, 2 carbon atom, then 3 carbon atom, 4 carbon atom. So, 5th carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? Pentane. What is that? Rings. It has a ring structure. Ring structure is like this. For propane, butane and pentane. Isn't it, children? So, end of this another small topic. See, children. Just now we discussed previous topic. What is that? Straight chain, then branched chain, closed chain. What are cyclic hydrocarbons? Cyclic carbons are nothing but hydrocarbons having a ring structure. Ring structure means closed structure. Closed structure. Again, what is this? Cyclic hydrocarbons. I took the example of butane. Yes or no, children? Butane. What is this butane? See. What is the name of this hydrocarbon, children? Butane. What butane? Cyclobutane. I said prefix. What is prefix? A word added before parent hydrocarbon. Which is a parent hydrocarbon here? 4 carbon atoms are there. Therefore, it is but. Since there is only single bond, it is called butane. And now, children, please be careful while writing the molecular formula. Come to this carbon atom. How many hydrogen are, how many valencies are satisfied? 2. How many more are left? 2 more are left. H and H here. Here, how many are left? How many are left for this carbon atom? 2. 1, 1, 2. For this carbon atom, 2 valencies are left. For this carbon atom, how many valencies are left? 2. Count how many hydrogen atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the general formula of cyclobutane? General formula of cyclobutane is what? Cn. How many carbon atoms are there? 4. 4 carbon atoms are there. There are single bond. Single bond, we generally write C4H10. Wrong, children. Count how many hydrogen atoms are there. There are 2 hydrogen atoms per carbon atom. 4 will have 8 hydrogen atoms. C4H8 is the name of cyclobutane. So it is also called what? Moment you see here, you say it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon alkene. It resembles general formula of alkenes. How many hydrogen are there? 8. How many carbon atom? 4. How many hydrogen atom? Double than carbon. What do we say? Cn H2n. General formula of alkene. But CnH2n is also the general formula of butane. They will have only single bond having cyclic structure. Please be careful, children, when they ask you to answer the hydrocarbon. Or let me twist the question. The general formula cyclic hydrocarbons also resembles which of the following? General formula of alkanes, alkynes, alkenes, or all three. Which they resemble? They resemble alkene. Cl H2O cyclic structure. Another important point, children. See. How many carbon atoms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the molecular formula? C5H10. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes or no, children? C5H10 is the general formula. What is the name of this compound? There are 5 carbon atoms. Cyclopentane. Yes or no, children? Yeah. Now come to the important one. They are asked you to name this hydrocarbon in your preparatory exam. What the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many carbon atoms are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So at the rate of 2 per carbon atom, how many they will have? 12. What is the name of this compound? There are 6 carbon atoms, hex, and all single bond A, hexane, and as a cyclic structure. What is the name of this hydrocarbon? Cyclohexane. Now come to this, children. What is the name of this compound? What is this? You may wonder, sir, you have written same thing twice. See now, children. And write a double bond here between these 2 carbon atoms. Then next, alternate level write double bond. Alternate level write double bond. What is this? This is saturated cyclo. What's the name of this? Saturated cyclohexane. Since there is double bond, what do we say? It is unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is this? Unsaturated hydrocarbon having double bond alternately, not continuously. Now you can check the valency of this carbon atom. 3 plus 1, 4 valency satisfied, 1 more left. To this carbon atom, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 more left. To this carbon atom, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 more left. To this carbon atom, 2 plus 1, 3 satisfied, 1 more left. To this carbon atom, 1 plus 2 finished, 1 more left. To this carbon atom, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 hydrogen. See, children, what is the molecular formula of this cyclohexane? C6H12. What is the general formula of this hexane? This is not hexane. See, hexane, not ane. What is this? This is double bond. So how many carbon atoms are there? 6. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 6. Having unsaturated cyclohydrocarbon. What is its name, children? Benzene. It will come in your final exam also. Name the compound. What is this? Benzene. So, if you have doubt, I have written together to avoid any confusion. Still you have confusion, please pause my video and get your doubts clear, children, then proceed. Easy topic, scoring topic. You will not get question more than 2 marks till now. So you should sweep the marks in the final exam. And by naming, please be careful. Blindly, what do you say? There are 6 carbon atoms. Hexane, cyclohexane. No, there is a double bond between alternate carbon atom. It is benzene. Again, I am highlighting. Understood, children? So, this is the end of cyclic hydrocarbons. We will proceed to next topic.